Hey guys, KC Jilly. I'm out here in this frosty greenhouse. Excuse me. And I wanted to show you just how dadgum hot it gets. And also that I found a few little okras growing in a tub where I throwed the rest of my green beans. So I planted them in here and we'll see how things go. But check out that temperature. Y'all see that? My gosh almighty. And that's down here in the middle of the greenhouse. As you go up higher. Alright guys, I was trying to show you this digital display. It's 117 degrees in here on top. My little grape or blueberry tomatoes, I've made it up to the top and they're starting to round over. I've got them hooked into my little cross line here that's running across. Let's see how far they get. I still have a few tomatoes in there. They're still making. And the cool part is, as that stuff dries up down here on the bottom, I'm going to remove those and the leaves and keep walking it up. In the meantime, down here low, this is what I was telling you, they look poor right now, but that's okra. And I have one on that side and one there. And almost every plant I have one, maybe two, three on some of them. Little baby okras going. So I thought that was pretty cool. I didn't even know I had any okra left, but I'm glad I do. You can see my sun golds. They're growing on out there too. And they're putting on a lot of flowers, but you know, 107, 117 up high like that, they're not gonna make nothing. They're not gonna make nothing. So, when you saw me aggressively prune earlier on in the year, I want you to know that's why I did it, because this time of year you're done as far as tomatoes go. Whatever you got, you can start some new plants, because in about 2 months, hopefully, things will start cooling back down a little bit. And the fresh plants that you're starting right now, they will come on up and they'll start producing as it cools back down. But you know, it's this 108 degrees every day is a lot to deal with as a human being. I can imagine a plant. You see, I got this old Kentucky pole bean. I used the tomato to let it climb on up that baby and make me some beans hopefully in the meantime. This guy's up there too. I'm ready to carry them all across, but I've eaten almost all these off of here now. They're pretty darn yummy. I got a little cracking going on, but I still got a little bit of tomatoes. Who knows what the future holds. And I've been wasting that space, so that bucket, I separated the beans out there and I stuck them in the ground. Some of them look poor, but we'll see what to do in the next week or so. And I have that much room to add some more something. So that's kind of where I'm at. Hadn't been in here and really done much in the greenhouse in quite a while, but figured I'll try to give y'all a little look at everything, where I'm at. My outside tomatoes are just burnt up. I have a shade cloth over the top of my indeterminates over there, the couple that are left that are doing okay. And they're not making nothing, but the plants are still alive. And I relocated my peppers that were just outside. You can see outside of my greenhouse, that little wood chip area in there. That was where all my peppers were, and I relocated them. And they're shocked right now, but they're shaded, so I've planted tomatoes out there, baby ones in the ground, and we'll see how that goes. But I got my hat and my shades back on, guys, because my lunch hour's over. I got to get back at it. Cannot wait to go work in this weather, because I labor and do work outside. So y'all have a good day, and I'll keep you posted on how the plants do around here in this terrible heat. God bless you.